Hey everybody, Bearman 313. Got a chance to get out to our range this afternoon and do some shooting. I've converted my M&P 40 to a 9mm. We may see some failures to eject. Wouldn't be the first time, but just plinking around, and I'm pretty much out of 40 Smith & Wessons. Stopped by Walmart today, and the only ammo I could find, they had just restocked some 9mm Winchester white box. So I picked up 3 boxes of those. So it's the only ammo I could find, so that's what we'll shoot with, and let's see if I can hit anything. Not too bad. My closest target here is 12.5 yards, and the farthest one out, but I think I hit once. That's 30 yards out, so not too bad. Alright, got reloaded. Let's see if I can hit them. Alright, not too bad. I finally got that 30-yard one a couple times. This is my last 15 rounds. Let's see how I do. That's all she wrote. Shot 100 rounds of 9mm through the 40 with the 9mm barrel and magazine. No failure to ejects or no problems. So pretty proud of that. And that's it for today. Y'all take care.